Hello everybody, welcome to Easy Math channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to memorize the times table from 6 to 9 so fast using two genius methods. The first method depends on using the fingers found in our both hands. The second method depends on reaching our target, which is 10. Okay, let's start and look at the first method. In the first method we use the fingers found in our both hands, but we must numerate the fingers found in our hands as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for both hands. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we select a digit from the first hand to multiply it by another digit in the other hand, noting that each digit or each finger we use must be evaluated at 10, and each digit I use must take with it the finger or the fingers before it. Let's start to understand this method. For example, we have 7 times 7. Let's look at the first hand, 7. Where is 7 in the first hand? Yeah, it is here. The finger carrying 7 must take with it the finger or the fingers before it. So this finger will take the finger before it. Each finger I mark or each finger I use must be evaluated at 10. So this finger will be evaluated at 10 and this finger will be also evaluated at 10. 7 times what? Times 7. Now we are required to move to the other hand. Where is 7 in the other hand? It is here. This finger must take with it the finger or the fingers before it. So this finger will take this finger with it. Each finger I use must be evaluated at what? At 10. We must do addition for the fingers I have used. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40. So we have 40. 40 plus what? Plus the fingers I haven't used. In the first hand, I have 3 fingers I haven't used. In the other hand, I have 3 fingers I haven't used. Each finger I haven't used must be evaluated at 1. Okay? Each finger I haven't used must be evaluated at what? At 1. So we have 3. And here 3. We multiply the fingers I haven't used in the first hand by the fingers I haven't used in the other hand. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. We add 9 to 40. Now we have an addition operation. 40 plus 9 equals 49. So 7 times 7 equals 49. Okay, let's take another example. 8 times 9. Where is 8 in the first hand? Of course, it is here. Note that the finger or the digits I use must be accompanied by the finger or the fingers before it. So this finger will take 7 and 6 with it. Now we have 3 fingers I have used in the first hand. Each finger I use must be evaluated at what? Evaluated at 10. So I have here 10, 10, 10. This is for the first hand. What about the other hand? We have 8 times 9. Okay, 9 is found in the other hand. Where is 9 in the other hand? Yeah, it is here. The finger I use must be accompanied by the finger or the fingers before it. So 9 must be accompanied by 8, 7, and 6. Okay, now we have 4 fingers. Yeah, I have 4 fingers I have used. Each finger I use must be evaluated at what? At 10. Okay, so in the first hand, I have 3 fingers I have used. In the second hand, I have 4 fingers I have used. We do addition. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I have 70. 70 plus what? Plus the fingers I haven't used in the first hand multiplied by the fingers I haven't used in the other hand. Okay, in the first hand I have 2 fingers I haven't used. Okay, in the second hand, I have only one finger. I haven't used, so we have 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. We add 2 to 70. We do addition, 70 plus 2 equals 72. So 8 times 9 equals 72. Okay, let's take another example. 6 multiplied by 8. Okay, let's delete this first. Okay, 6 times 8. Let's look at the first hand. 6 in the first hand. What is 6 in the first hand? Yeah, it is here. So I mark it and evaluate it at 10. Because I said that each finger I use must be evaluated at 10. Okay. 6 times what? Times 8. Now we are required to move to the other hand. Where is 8 in the other hand? Of course, it is here. The finger I mark or I use must be accompanied by the finger or the fingers before it. So it will take 7 and 6 before it. Okay. We have now 3 fingers. Each finger I use must be evaluated at what? At 10. Now I have 3 fingers I have used in the other hand. We do addition. Okay, now we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I have 40. 40 plus what? Plus the fingers I haven't used in the first hand multiplied by the fingers I haven't used in the other hand. Okay. In the first hand, I haven't used 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 fingers I haven't used in the first hand. In the other hand, I haven't used 2 fingers. So I multiply 4 by 2, which equals 8. We add 8 to 40. Now we have 40 plus 8, which equals 48. Now 6 times 8 equals 48. This is the first method. Now we will focus attention on the second method. The second method depends on reaching the target, which is 10. This is for the times table from 6 to 9. Okay, let's take an example and understand the second method easily and fast. 6 times 8. We will use the second method. Okay, 6 times 8. We want to reach our target, which is 10. Okay. 7 needs what to reach 10? Of course, 7 needs 3 to reach 10. We write 3 over 8. Okay? Okay. Now we move to 8 and ask ourselves the same question. 8 needs what to reach 10? Of course, 8 needs 2. Now we multiply 2 by 3. 2 by 3 equals 6. Okay. The second step, we do subtraction, either for this side or the other side. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. The same result. Okay. 8 minus 3 equals what? Equals 5. So 7 times 8 equals 56. Okay. Let's take another example. 6 times 9. 6 needs what to reach 10? Of course, 6 needs 4. We write 4 here over 9. We move to 9 and ask ourselves the same question. 9 needs what to reach 10? Of course, 9 needs 1 to reach 10. Now, we multiply 1 by 4. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. Okay. We do subtraction, either for the first side or the second side. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 6 minus 1 equals 5. The same. Okay, 9 minus 4 equals 5. So 6 times 9 equals 54. Let's take another example. 8 times 8. We want to reach our target, which is 10. Okay, 10 needs what to become 10? Of course, 8 needs 2. We write 2 here over 8. We move to 8 and ask ourselves the same question. 8 needs what to reach 10 or to become 10? Of course, it needs 2. We multiply 2 by 2. Of course, 4. We do subtraction, either for the first side or the second side. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, the same. So 8 times 8 equals 64. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Goodbye.